I saw a stripe. A white stripe in a cold blue sky. And now, you know, I am lying. What I saw, this white stripe, started in that blue sky, brutal and sudden. It ended wherever this plane still ascending so far away, hung. I wondered if the stripe started in a cloud of infinitely small drops of water. A layer thick enough to hide the slipstream of the plane. I looked again and didn't see it. The stripe was a volume of droplets, of closely packed spheres. It had an ending and a beginning. I could see it and I was sure it was a stripe, but I did not understand it. Where was the beginning? Why did it look like a rectangle? How poor was my sight, were my eyes? Understanding now that the stripe was a rectangular body, a cuboid, a very simple geometric form in my textbook experience, I realized that I saw a stripe with no beginning and no ending. I saw rectangles that were vibrating, shaking in the blue void and finding their roundness. I still was a Cartesian, a blind reader of the sky. The stripe was there as an exploding star thousands of years ago, in a world long before Descartes. The laws of mathematics might be absent, might be different. But I was happy. I saw a stripe and I lied about it. The eternity of the stripe was the death of the cuboid. Slowly it was dispersed and all of a sudden, when I wasn't looking, it was gone, gone forever. How could I dream as an ancient Greek on a pebbled beach, musing about the missing cuboid, its appearance in time, its death in time?